Oh, here's the 2019 Beta 500 RRS. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to change out this large sprocket that I had bought for the rear, which also tends to bring in the tire really close, and I'm running the Tusk Recon tire. You can see how adjustment, I'm pretty much all the way in. So it works. It lightly touches in there. So it's gonna wear that rock / mud guard flap away slowly. And I'll just put it back on the 48 tooth aluminum sprocket that the bike came with. We're also going to do the clutch oil. That needs to be done. And I need to fix the tubeless in the front because the high pressure one ride and it went. Hopefully I didn't do something wrong. I'll know more when I open it up. Also playing around putting more clear coats on that visor I repaired. Buddy is bringing over his Beta 390, and we'll be putting on the IMS tank and other components. I'll be bringing you that in a video too today. By no means is this a step-by-step video. It's mainly going to be just me working on the bike and what have you from time to time, bringing you what I'm doing. Just to give you an update, if you're following me on this loaner bike, that yes, it's February and I still have it. So awesome on Beta, but you know, got to do a few things to it before my New Mexico trip coming up here in March. Well, we're just now entering March. Well, I'm back, obviously a little bit different. I said I would have a 390 in the garage. There's the Beta 390, and we got the 4-gallon tank on it. It was really, really tricky to do, and we lost some bolts or did something wrong. Their directions are kind of goofy, kind of like on the 3-gallon. They need better, more clear directions. And then the leftover parts. But that's what it looks like. Oh, and the real bitch is getting the seat on. So yeah, have fun with that. I'm not even going to tell you how a tip on that. It will bite your fingers and cause you a lot of pain. But yeah, this is what it looks like. And I really like it. And then there's the Beta 500, and I got the front done, but the tubeless, the rim tape inside was all screwed up, so I just popped that out, put in this factory rim strip, and put a tube in. So I'm good to go for the upcoming New Mexico trip. And I still have tubeless in the rear, but yep, got the Beta 500 all situated and sorted out, and I just have to do a fluid change and I'm good to go. So that is it, guys and gals. Please like, subscribe, check out my other videos, hit that notification bell, and please visit my affiliate link because that really helps the channel out. Have a good one. Bye.